How we doing, YouTube? Got a couple of videos I'm gonna probably put out there today. But first, we're gonna do a cold start on the Firebird. It's supposed to have left last week, but the guy didn't end up picking it up. So we're gonna do a quick cold start on that. Stay tuned. And we're gonna come back through and we're gonna talk about the GMC pickup. Stay tuned to that too. Okay, YouTube, we're back. Gonna be putting the battery down inside the Firebird here real quick. These bees out of here. Boy, vicious. It's been pretty warm up here today in here in Maine, and the hornets and stuff come out, so they get pretty vicious there when you walk away from them, they seem, or swat at them. I know you're not supposed to swat at them, but I don't want them hanging around me. Put this end back in this battery here. Sorry guys for the wrong angle there for a minute. Get the pliers out and tighten this up. There we go. Okay. Get to the negative wire on. It's a little hard doing this stuff one-handed, but I want to get some videos out there for you guys, some content, so. That's a no-no. Hit the positive side of the battery when I had the negative side. The pliers on the negative side, so, but we're all right. We're all good. There. Get that in. See if we can do a quick cold start on the 83 Firebird. Has been started in a few days. Phew, YouTube, it's hot in here. Alright. Give her a good pump, because I know she ain't going to start. It's been too cold. There we go, she's up and running. This thing is just a nice little car. I wish I could have had, more time to get it done this past summer, so I could have, drove it on the road, but it's okay. It'll be all ready for next year. Get a little tack view here. There we go. Thing just runs beautiful, this car. Can't ask for a better running car. Little small block right there. Low mileage. Oh, we did put some windshield stickers, Pontiac on the windshield up there, and took the blue flames out in the back. Put Pontiac Firebird right there on the back window. Looks pretty cool. Get a good sound down here, the exhaust. It's not too loud, it's quiet, it's got a nice little tone to it. Alright, YouTube, it's gonna be it for this. I know it wasn't that hard of starting. It's been pretty warm up here in Maine in the daytime. At night, it's gone down to like 49, 50 degrees. But Don't forget to smash that like button and share and subscribe, and feel free to leave some comments. You guys have a great day.